really block print digitally. I think with the right technique you can have a really good go and get some really good results. I've developed this technique using Procreate and my lino cut tools and my stamps that I've made using the tools. Here you can see I'm using a gingham stamp brush which I'm using to erase onto a green ground, letting the colour show underneath. It's got quite an irregular textured feel to it. I then I've developed some stamps, the chicken stamps, as you can see here, and if you use them in erase mode you can erase back into the gingham grounds that I've created, which allows you to work on one layer. Again, it gives that more of a random hand-done feel, so you sort of stamp in using the guides in Procreate to guide your way. So you can see here it's quite a nice simple technique. It's quite satisfying because you're layering up the stamp brushes to create the little motifs. Also, you can change colours, you can add different colours, different colourways really quite nice and quickly, and you can see here how quickly this design has come together, and you can make your own unique arrangements and layouts using this technique. And at the end of every design I always like to do a little swatch and a little test on a mock-up just to see what the design might look like, and that way it allows me to make further decisions if I want to change things or if things aren't quite working right. I can go back in and make some adjustments and keep going until I'm happy with the results. If you'd like to look at how I've used this technique for some other patterns, you can watch them here.